Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars using a keyboard and mouse, an easy method to elevate your gameplay. This approach provides significantly enhanced precision and control, giving you a competitive edge in every match. We will go through the simple steps of setting up your computer to run the game smoothly. You will learn how to configure your controls for optimal performance, making your brawlers move and attack with pinpoint accuracy. Get ready to transform your Brawl Stars experience. Choosing the right Android emulator is your first step. Popular options like BlueStacks and Nox Player are highly recommended due to their stability and robust features. These platforms offer excellent performance, ensuring your game runs smoothly, and provide intuitive key mapping tools. Simply download and install your preferred emulator from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor. Now, let's customize your controls for optimal gameplay. Once Brawl Stars is open in your emulator, locate and open the key mapping tool, usually found on the sidebar. You can drag and drop control icons directly onto the game screen, then assign your preferred keyboard keys for movement, basic attacks, and your super ability. Consider using WASD for movement and mouse clicks for aiming and shooting. After setting up, save your custom profile and jump into a friendly match to test your new configuration. With your keyboard and mouse setup complete, you are ready to experience Brawl Stars with enhanced precision. Enjoy superior aiming accuracy with your mouse, allowing for more consistent shots and skill shot execution. Your character movement will feel more fluid and responsive, giving you better control in fast-paced engagements. Remember to practice regularly to fully adapt to this new control scheme. This method offers a significant competitive advantage, making you a formidable opponent in every single battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.